Meaning of high-spirited.
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 High-spirited. High-spirited refers to someone who is lively, energetic, and enthusiastic. This person is often full of vitality and has a positive attitude towards life, and it shows in their behavior and demeanor. A high-spirited individual is often the life of the party, and they tend to bring joy and energy to any social situation they find themselves in. They are also generally fearless and confident, unafraid to take risks and try new things. In short, a high-spirited person is a force to be reckoned with, and their infectious energy can be impossible to resist.